What's up, mechanics? If you're not a mechanic, you know what to do. Slap that subscribe button and become a mechanic today. Today we're gonna make some vegan quesadillas. I have another quesadilla video on that video kind of sucked, but I used jackfruit on this one, on that one. But this one is gonna be like my steak quesadilla. Steak and cheese quesadilla is what I'm gonna call it. This is really good. You know, my wife loves it, my kids love it. Well, actually my wife doesn't love it, I'm sorry, my kids love it. My wife does not try any vegan queso, cheese, whatever. She doesn't try that at all. I don't know why, unless it's the mac and cheese, she'll eat that. But other than that, she's like, oh, I don't trust it, I don't want it. Anyhow, I'm not gonna hold you guys up. I'm gonna take you right into it so you can see what I do and how I do it. Stick around. Here's my seasoning mix. I'll have the information for the seasoning mix in the description. So while that cooks, you know, it's kind of boring just watching mushrooms and onions cook. So I thought I'd stop and say something to you guys. I really love you guys. I'm on the road to 10K. Giveaways coming up right after back to school, for sure. So September, be on the lookout for the giveaway. If you guys need any help with your, you know, staying vegan or going vegan, be sure to join my group. I'll link it in the description. I got a Facebook group where I try to be supportive and help people in the transition. I often throw prizes. I give like $50 gift cards away monthly. Not monthly, but normally every other month. But we're gonna get back into the video, what you guys actually really care about. The good food. Next, take your cooked portion of mushrooms and onions and place them to the side. You fill the tortilla shells. Okay, so with your quesadilla now, what you want to do is you fill the mushrooms, the onions, and my special sauce. You put the sauce inside of there with the Daiya cutting board cheese. Don't get any of the other ones because they don't taste that good. But the Daiya cutting board cheese is the best. It melts good, tastes good. So I believe you'll really like that cheese for it. And that's about it. hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, if it helped you out, leave me a like, put a comment down below. Tell me you're gonna try it. Tag me I can't even get it out. Tag me on Instagram of your plate, because I'll be happy to see it. I love you guys. On the road to 10K before the end of the summer. Let's make it happen. See ya.